I am a responsible Indian, the tagline of our beloved AP Vasudhaji. The members of Innerville Club of Hyderabad Srujana, along with Mentor, are going to make this day very special by pledging I am a responsible Indian.
Namaste. I am Padma Sharma, past association treasurer and CCCC of District 315. As a responsible Indian, I want to adapt paperless working. This paperless working not only save trees but also protect environment. Nowadays, every house is having laptop, mobile and Wi-Fi. Just with a touch of your finger, you can get everything online. You can shop online, you can bank online, you can get groceries to close, everything. Online working is not only cheaper, faster, but also safer in this pandemic situation. As a responsible Indian, I am adopting online working and encouraging my staff. Will you?
नमस्ते, मैं लीला बाहेती। मैं इस महान भारत देश की बेटी हूँ। मैं एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक हूँ। दूसरी अन्य अच्छी आदतों के साथ साथ आजकल जो फोन में फॉरवर्ड मैसेजेस का चल रहा है, मैं ऐसा कदापि नहीं करती, बिल्कुल नहीं करती हूँ। जो भी समाज के हित में है, भारत के हित में है, मैं वही कार्य करती हूँ। हमारे महान भारत देश के प्रति हमारी कई जिम्मेदारियां हैं। उसमें से यह भी आजकल के युग में अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है कि हम हर आया हुआ मैसेज बिना उसका तथ्य पर के फॉरवर्ड न करें। धन्यवाद।
Hi friends, being a responsible citizen, I take care of the hygiene of my surroundings. I use the kitchen waste instead of throwing it out as a manure. I reduce the kitchen waste by making it as manure and recycle it and reuse it for plants. I am a responsible Indian.
Hello, I am Indira Devi, Chartered President of Innerville Srujana from District 315. As a responsible citizen of India, I want to tell that we have to encourage handicrafts. And in the present scene, since time immemorial, since the time of the Britishers, we have seen that handicrafts have been neglected and people who are depending on that have migrated to different places. And now, during this present situation, they are all going to their rural areas, and then now we should encourage handicrafts and we should give them livelihood, and our culture and heritage can be retained. And also, as a citizen, I want to buy all handloom and handicraft items.
Namaste, I am Vasanta Lakshmi. Being responsible makes lives better. One of the major responsibility of a citizen is to reduce the power consumption. Power can be reduced by switching off the lights, fans, microwaves when not in need. Even we can use LED bulbs and tube lights and other appliances which are energy efficient. I am doing the same. Will you?
Good morning friends. As a citizen of India, I strongly believe not to waste food. Globally, 30% of food is going waste due to various reasons. Not preserving properly and cooking excess food. To avoid this, one has to follow certain things. Purchase only the required amount of food and store properly, consume before expiry date. While eating, take a small quantity of food and consume fully. Thank you friends. I love my India. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
Hi friends, happy Independence Day. As a responsible Indian, we should not throw the garbage on outside of our house and also on roads also. Please don't pluck the plants from trees or plants. It's a nature gift for all of us. We should enjoy everything from our nature. Mera Bharat Maha.
Good evening everyone. I am Jyoti. Happy to see you all on the special occasion of 74th Independence Day virtual celebration. The theme of the hour is I am a responsible Indian. Yes, I am a responsible Indian with regard to the casting my vote for the nation. I have casted my vote for all elections since I attained the age of 18 years for panchayat, municipal, state and central elections. Being a responsible Indian, I have not missed any polls and in future also. I am proud as I got the opportunity to work as a polling officer 3 times and rendered my service for the formation of the government. On this special occasion, I request all Indian citizens, especially the younger generation, to cast their vote as service to the nation so that they can elect the leaders of their choice and will become a part of formation of a good government. सब लोगों की यही पुकार, वोट देना ही हमारा अधिकार. Thank you all for giving this opportunity.
Being a responsible Indian, I wish to share prevention on plastic bag for betterment of future and health result. Few items which are used day-to-day activities are jute bags for carrying of shopping items, grocery and food items. And for hot drinks, instead of plastic cups, we should use earthen cup or porcelain mugs. Thank you.
I am responsible Indian, saving the power. Water is precious. Water is a life. It is highly impossible to live without water. So don't waste water. Being a responsible citizen of India, water is the driver of nature. Conserve it, preserve it, and go with the flow. Jai Hind.
Hi, I am Nandini Dabir, editor of Srujana Club. I pay the income tax, property tax and all other taxes to the Indian government. I am a responsible citizen.
I am Vijay Lakshmi, Executive Member of Innerville Hyderabad Srujana District 315. It is the responsibility of every citizen to respect flag, national anthem. It is also our moral responsibility to insist for the bills from shopkeeper for each and every purchase. I have whatever I will purchase, I will insist for the bill and I will take the bill. And I will ask my children also, for every purchase take the bill from shopkeeper.
Hi friends, being a responsible Indian, it is the prime responsibility of every citizen to plant a sapling at his home, locality and workplace. The plantation is social responsibility. Greenery curtails pollution and help to keep environment clean. Hence, I plant sapling at regular intervals. And also, I salute our soldiers who are putting their lives at risk every day our country. On behalf of all our citizens, I would like to convey our sincere gratitude to the heroes who are away from home, family, relatives and friends. I am responsible Indian. Jai Hind.
Namaste. As a citizen of India, I will defend my constitutions. I will respect the opinions, rights and beliefs of others in my local community. Jai Hind.
Hi friends, my name is Aruna. I am Innerville Club member from Hyderabad. I advise you not to use plastic water bottle for drinking. Arsenic chemical is used in manufacturing, which is poisonous. As a responsible citizen, I am not using this water bottle. Alternatively, I suggest you to use steel water bottle for drinking. Are you with me?
Hello friends, I am Rajlakshmi, member of Innerville Club, Hyderabad Srujana District 315. Being a citizen of India, some moral responsibilities and duties are mentioned in the Constitution. That is, national flag and national anthem are to be respected. Protect of power, unity and integrity of the country, safeguard of public property, paying our taxes on time and promptly to federal, state government and local authorities. As I am paying my taxes regularly as a responsible Indian.
जल जीवन है, जल अमूल्य है। जैसे आपने देखा, मैं काम में व्यस्त होते हुए नल को बंद करना भूल चुकी थी। मैं एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक होने के नाते आप सबसे अनुरोध करती हूँ कि जल का दुरुपयोग मत कीजिए। जैसे ही काम होता है इमीडिएटली बंद कर दीजिए नल को, और जब टपकता है तो इमीडिएटली प्लम्बर को बुला लीजिए और ठीक करवाइए। जल का दुरुपयोग मत कीजिए क्योंकि जल अमूल्य है। नमस्कार।